Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow notifications on the Telegram app for your PC. If you've been missing important messages or updates because Telegram isn't alerting you, don't worry, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and the app is up to date, so you have access to the newest notification options. Next, look at the top left corner of your Telegram window. You'll see three short horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a sidebar with several options related to your account and app settings. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can manage everything from your privacy preferences to chat themes, and of course, notifications. Once you're inside the Settings section, click on Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll find all the controls for how and when Telegram sends you alerts. If your desktop notifications are currently disabled, this is the reason you haven't been getting notified of new messages. Now, find the option that says Desktop Notifications and make sure it's switched on. When this feature is enabled, Telegram will show pop-up alerts on your screen each time you receive a new message or activity, even when the app is minimized.